How to write your name in Korean. To write your name in Korean, you need to use the Korean writing system called Hangul. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to write your name in Korean. First, find the Korean equivalent of each sound in your name. You can use an online tool like Forvio.com, Google Translator, or ask a Korean speaker to help you with this. For example, if your name is Emily, the Korean equivalent would be Emily. Now, step by step, write the first syllable of your name in Korean. Each syllable in Korean is made up of a consonant and a vowel. For example, the first syllable of Emily would be E. The second syllable would be mil. The final syllable would be li. Once you have written each syllable, combine them to form your name in Korean. For example, Emily. If your name only has two syllables, for example, if your name is Hannah, you would write Hana. It's important to note that in Korea, the family name comes first, followed by the given name. So, for example, if your name is Emily Smith, you would write it as Smith Emily in Korean. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of future uploads.